Hi, it's Emma from Road Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to install the new update for PureSync on a Windows device. First, go to the PureSync Help and Support page via this link. Once you're here, find the firmware update. You also need to make sure you download the latest version of the firmware. Once you've extracted the firmware updater, open the application. Follow the steps in the setup to install the application. Once you've got the firmware open, select the corresponding firmware for each section. Once this is done, you need to connect your PureSync device via USB. Once the device is connected, click Start Update. As it's updating, you'll see a loading bar on both your computer and the sync device. Please note, do not unplug the device or close the application during the update. Once the update is finished, it will say Update Complete. You're now safe to unplug the device.